Morning.
Let's not do it.
We are going to make this look pretty today. Got most of the holes filled in yesterday after he comes and lays in that soakage trench over there. We're gonna, get this thing wrapped up today. Come in this weekend and pour the concrete, make sure he has enough gravel. I'll try to make this yard look as good as I can, to call it eye-catching or whatever. Curb appeal, that's what I'm looking for, curb appeal. And plus it just looks better, you know, you don't want to leave a job looking like crap. Throwing dirt. This front yard, sure he's throwing dirt. Though, yeah, it's super noisy. The concrete cutters are here. The driveway, the approach, doesn't match up with what's going on up there with the foundation. So I'm just gonna leave this kind of fat. It's kind of don't look too bad, but a little rough. But yeah. Moving along. Get myself angled right here. Woo. There's a property pin. About the sidewalk height, maybe a little higher, but that's fine. We can take care of it on final grade and burn the rest of the dirt up. Burn that dirt up. My blade was down again on that one. I felt it dragging. So, something happened here. A little change of plans. Should have said that first. But something happened here where there's a big mess up on the length of the foundation. There's a 4-foot extension on the garage, but not on the rest of the house. And, well, they put that 4-foot extension on the whole thing, and it's not supposed to be like that, I guess. So we got to come dig out around that foundation out to there. The saw cutters are going to come cut it out. The front patio, we got to cut our pipes out of the way, cut our sewer out of the way, or sewer clean out, and give them a nice big work area to get things done. That's an expensive mess up right there. Alright. Hey Frank, we could wait till they get out of the way. We're gonna have to, at least.
You have to like break it off.
No, they're the saw cutting guys. Here, nope, water's over there. That one's for this house. Sweet. Start digging it out. Alright, well, we got all that cut out for them, all up and around. Frank's gonna get all them pipes cut.
So here we have the frame foundation guys. They added a little extra 4 feet on the foundation than they were supposed to. So now we gotta tear it up. After the saw guys came, clean cuts. A little bit of the patio, but that's alright. Stand back a little bit. So we're gonna tear it all up, try to get it into small pieces for the backhoe. It's gonna load me up in the machine, and we're just gonna take these chunks, try to crush them up as best we can, smaller bits of pieces, put them in a garage somewhere maybe. Hopefully no rebar, anything's coming out, sticking out of the ground or anything. As you can see, he's trying to get them in small sections.
Better. Yeah. They want to be in the guy's way next time they pour. So all this concrete, drop that, is going in, where is that at? That foundation is going in that garage. But I don't want to be in their way when they're pouring that thing. Still got another little chunk to move out real quick. No, because the gas line's right there. Yeah. Perfect. And then we'll get this little one, and that last load will be that one big one. So now I'm headed over, see how Frank's doing on his backfill, and might start tearing out that foundation. Got his back patio up to grade. That looks good. All right, so Frank's gonna keep moving dirt and getting this backfilled so we can keep caught up. And I'm still waiting on the Sokas trench inspector, so I'm just gonna bring the 85 over here to rip that thing out. So with this one, see how close that joint is right there? I can't reuse this clean out. So I'm just gonna cut it, cap it, and we'll add another one. Once they move that back, this one has gotta go back 4 feet as well. We'll just cut it, cap it, and install a new one later. Well, that was easy. Let's tear out number 2. Put my blade down. Oh, not on that water line. All right. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think I can lift that big of a chunk though. Alright guys, we were nearing the end of the day right here, and as you can see, I'm just tearing up this one and gonna load them out. And but what I really want to say is thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I love to do this type of work right here. This is what I think I was made for. No, but so if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. And again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time. You guys all right?